What is SmartTech Industry? Tungaloy is a global metalworking tool company with its headquarters in Japan. Tungaloy realizes the significant transformation in the production processes of metalworking and digitization of manufacturing. Comprehensive SmartTech metalworking solutions to increase productivity and profitability for its customers is Tungaloy's goal, notable for its prolific, highly advanced engineering solutions. At Tungaloy, the future of productivity and growth for the manufacturing industries will assure production systems are 30% faster and more efficient, and will elevate the mass production of tools and inserts to new levels. SmartTech Production. As machining continues to be an essential method in metalworking technology, cutting tool manufacturing at Tungaloy is evolving to meet new requirements under the guidelines that specify how tools should be unified and digitized in the same method. A smart factory represents the central model for smart manufacturing. Cyber-physical production systems perform under the conditions of real-time information exchange in an environment context that combines real and virtual worlds, with systems interacting via the industrial Internet of Things. Tungaloy has incorporated SmartTech technologies into its production and logistics systems and processes, integrating complete cyber solutions and automation to improve production quality and increase tool reliability and tool life predictability. Tungaloy has connected its production floors to facilitate transparent, optimized planning and streamlined production control. The connection between Tungaloy's factories and the cloud-based control platform ensures that Tungaloy's advanced cutting tools are always in stock and available to increase your production results and productivity. The new methods of SmartTech technologies enable engineers to gain insights related to the performance and optimization of Tungaloy's production processes. SmartTech Quality Standards. Beginning with carbide powders and following through the production process, Tungaloy, a certified AS 9100 manufacturer, operates a stringent quality assurance program that has won the trust and respect of customers worldwide. Tungaloy has been certified by the prestigious Standards Institution as being in full compliance with quality and environmental and occupational health and safety and energy management standards. SmartTech Marketing. A key component of Smart Industry 4.0 is the industrial Internet of Things that is characterized by connected devices. Through the use of the cloud, where data is stored, equipment and operations can be optimized by leveraging the insights of others using the same applications, such as Tungaloy's electronic catalog and an assortment of other apps for online use. By providing data from the world's leading suppliers, Machining Cloud and automated tool management systems eliminate the hassles of searching through printed catalogs for optimal tooling solutions in new marketing and e-commerce environments. At Tungaloy, buying and selling is a 24/7 process. The quick and easy online store process eliminates internal manual order creation to enable ordering tools at any time with a direct link to the e-catalog, which also assists in choosing the right tool. The automated order process is supported by tracking methods to monitor the order at any given location. Technological innovations lead to better decisions, more efficient processes, and new business models. Companies which upgraded their factories to smart Industry 4.0 solutions have already reported productivity gains of up to 50%. The global annual impact of smart Industry 4.0 across all manufacturing segments by 2030 is projected to be well over $1 trillion. Tungaloy, the force behind your success.